Welcome to A to Z English Conversation.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex. What is your name?
My name is Julia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Julia, where are you from?
I am from China. What about you?
I am from Mexico.
Oh, that is interesting. Where do you live now?
I live in Mexico City. And you?
I live in Beijing. It is such a busy city.
I agree. I visited Beijing once. It was amazing.
That is nice to hear. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. And you?
I am 23 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at the hospital as a medical assistant.
That sounds like a meaningful job.
Yes, I enjoy helping people. Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 brothers. And you?
I have one older sister.
That is nice. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places and learning about different cultures.
Me too. I enjoy planning trips and trying local food.
Speaking of food, what is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What is your favorite food?
I really like pasta, especially with creamy sauces.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any pets?
No, I do not have any pets. But I want a dog someday.
That would be great. Dogs are loyal companions.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, watching movies, and spending time outdoors.
I like to read books. And watch movies too.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music. It helps me relax.
I like jazz and soft rock. They make me feel calm.
Can you speak any other languages?
I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish. What about you?
I can speak Japanese and English.
That is impressive.
Thank you. What is your favorite season?
I like summer. I enjoy the sunshine and outdoor activities.
I prefer spring. The flowers and weather are lovely.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer on weekends with friends.
That sounds fun.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Pursuit of Happiness.
That is a great choice. I like that movie too.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food. What about you?
I enjoy cooking Chinese dishes. And sometimes baking.
That is great. Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing the guitar and cycling. What are your hobbies?
I like hiking, photography, and writing stories.
That is creative.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do. I play puzzle and adventure games.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot and travel the world.
That is a wonderful goal.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Mine is blue.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes, I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the UK and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends. What about you?
I like to go hiking or try new restaurants.
That sounds exciting.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes and books.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Me too. It feels like a fresh start.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing with my friends.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies and dramas.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple. What is yours?
I love mango.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
I like lemon tea.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach. And watching sunsets.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family and friends.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano.
That is impressive.
Thank you. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the lily.
I love marigold.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days. They feel peaceful.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy live music performances.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Me too. I like sharing ideas.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake. What is yours?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to sleep in on weekends.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
I like casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
I love camping in the mountains.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
I also enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
Do you like to visit the zoo?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Julia.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Alex.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. I would like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, A to Z English Conversation, like and share.